Hey guys, it's Dan here, back with another video, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this lava trap I'd made. So I hope you all enjoy, and let's start. So the materials you need are 3 blocks of your choice, 1 lever, 2 sticky pistons, 6 redstone repeaters, 1 redstone torch, and 4 redstone dust, and 2 buckets of lava. So let's start. So that's it guys. So if you like the video, please leave a like and please subscribe, and that's all, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is on Friday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.